So today we're starting to slide out. It's a 1/4 inch difference in the, bought some 1/4 inch underlayment. I'm going to staple that down, and that'll even everything up. Seeing the flooring is going to carry out past. So again, I'm working on a slide out again. What I've done so far, I've cut my planks for the edge. I've actually taken a piece of plywood as a straight edge and screwed it to the floor. Because I'm going to take this first row of planks and I'm going to glue them down. See down below, we've got the metal slide edge, and then this is the flooring. Once this is all set, I've got this rope glued down. My plan is taking this edge here, which is one of the edges that I bought. And I'll show you the piece as is when bought. I cut the ribs out. They usually snap into an aluminum channel. And my plan is to take this and glue it down to the edge of the flooring, which will create my finished edge. We'll let you know what goes on with that. So I let the glue set up for a few hours. I've got it weighted down. With some of the flooring boxes. So I'm going to pull up the straight edge I had on the back, and I'm going to start snapping in the balance of the floor. cut the edges off, just turn it into a outside trim. And now I'll take the same trim and we're gonna apply it. I'm gonna glue it right down to the edge and trim it out. Gives a nice finish edge. So when I cut the vinyl off the back that would snap into the metal, the reason I did that is because underneath the vinyl floor here is the metal for the slide out, and I don't want to screw into that and have that come through the bottom. So I cut that out, and I think I'm going to cap the floor like this. Only thing is, it kind of sat on a little bit of an angle. I'm going to exaggerate like this. So what I did is I cut some vinyl flooring strips, and I'm going to put them in the front here. Real thin strip. I'm going to glue that to the floor before I put the trim down. Once I put the trim down, it makes the trim sit more even. So before I started putting the trim down, so I'm going to put on the edge here, I took some vinyl flank flooring, cut some strips, made little blocks. These will be splice blocks when I put my joints together. Slide them in, and lock the two joints together. Made little outside corner ones for the miters. Slide it into the miter. Lock the two pieces when you glue them. They'll kind of keep them locked in. And here's what the finished product looked like in our slide out. A little detail on the snap-in trims. When I installed the face in the floor itself, and this little piece right here, the fascia, I call it, I kept it the same height. Because if you look at the trim itself, there's a gap right here, and I figured when you put the aluminum in this piece right here, it sits on the floor here, and then it'll sit on the fascia in this front gap to help support some of the weight. I did this on the stairwell, and it worked out very well.